Umjaho lonyaka ube ingqophamlando kakhulu njengoba ubungenelwe ngabasubatha ababalelwa ngaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-22 nokwenze waba nezigaba ezimbili zokuqala ukugijima kubasubathi.
One of our major priorities when we organize an event of this magnitude is to ensure that there's no congestion.
Abahleli balomjaho bathi uguquka balwethule kulonyaka lungamalungiselelo onyaka 2027 lapho iComrades Marathon izohlanganisa iminyaka engaphezulu kwekhulu.
Obviously, we'll have a look at the numbers. We'll look at everything, the footage, the debriefs from our finished procedure to check what went well and what didn't go well, and where we feel that something didn't work, we'll obviously have to change in preparation for 2027.
Abasubatha abanqobe lomjaho baklonyelisiwe namuhla ngokwehlukana kwezigaba ngokunqoba kuzo njengoba kwabesilisa unqotshwe uTete Tijana ohluthwe isicoco ngemizuzu nje kumpetha wanyakenye uPete Versma. Kwathi kwabesifazane kwanqoba uGerda Steyn umpetha wangonyaka owedlule. Inhlangano yeComrades Marathon ibonge umsebenzi wamaphoyisa ngokutholakala komsubathi waseKapa uMoira Harding obenyamalele emva kwalomjaho eThekwini izolo. Lo msubathi utholakale namuhla ephoyinti waphuthunyiswa esibhedlela ukuyoxilongwa.
The team did a sterling job under the supervision of Brigadier Saunders, who's in charge of the event, and obviously they had to put all the resources to ensure that she's found she's okay. She's been taken to Umhlanga Hospital for further observation.
Kusenjalo umsubathi oneminyaka engu-83 ubudala uJohannes Mosehla uklonyeliswe ngendondo ekhethekile ngokuqeda lomjaho kule minyaka kanayo. Kanti uLewis Messane oneminyaka engu-74 ubudala ubegijima iComrades Marathon yama-50. Bobabili bayiqedile iComrades Marathon.